Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Freshers Now. You are going to get all the information regarding DGR Punjab Recruitment 2020. Here are the basic details. The organization name is Department of Governance Reforms Punjab. The post names are as follows: Senior System Manager, Assistant Manager, Technical Assistant. The total vacancies which are open are 322 and the starting date for application is 26th of November 2020 and the last date for application is 15th of December 2020. The mode of application will be done only through online and the selection process for the exam will take place under written test followed by an interview as well. The job location, if the candidates are selected, is in Punjab. Now the candidates, if you need any additional information or any updated information regarding any posts which are mentioned here on the screen, you can check the official website which is mentioned here on the screen, and that will give you a direct access for all your details. And the name of the post vacancies are as follows. Senior System Manager, which is also called as SSM, has 2 posts open. For a System Manager, 19 posts are open. For an Assistant Manager, 57 posts are open. For a Technical Assistant, 244 posts are open. The education qualifications are as follows. For a Senior System Manager, SSM, the candidate should possess a degree in BE or a BTech in Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Computer Science, or an MBA from a recognized university. Also, the candidate should have a minimum of 50% aggregate in each case and also should have experience of 9 years in the field of Information and Communication Technology, or the candidate can also possess a master's degree in Computer Applications prior MBA with a recognized university or institution, also consisting of 50 marks aggregate with an experience of 11 years in the field of Information and Communication Technology. So either or you will be eligible for applying for the post of Senior System Manager SSM. And for the System Manager SM, the candidate should have a degree in BE or a BTech in Information Technology. Also, the candidate can also have in Communication or Computer Science and MBA. Your certificate should be recognized under the Government of India with a minimum percentage of 50. And prior, the candidate should also have the experience of 4 years in the field of Information and Communication Technology. If you are not having this, follow the details which are mentioned here on the below of the screen. The candidate can also possess master's degree in Computer Application prior MBA in a recognized university or institution. Again, you will have a minimum qualification of 50% with an experience of 6 years in the field of Information and Communications Technology. For an Assistant Manager, a degree in BE or a BTech Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, or Computer Science and MBA from a recognized university. Also, the aggregate percentage weightage taken is 50%, or you can also have a master's degree in Computer Applications and MBA, and also this particular certificate should be recognized from the Government of India with a minimum of 50% aggregate in each case, and also should have 2 years of experience in Information and Communication Technology. And for a Technical Assistant, the candidate should have a bachelor's in Technology or Information Technology, Electronics and Communication, Computer Science, all the courses which are mentioned here on the screen, with a 50% aggregate. Or if you're not having a bachelor's, if you're a post-grad student, you can also have master's degree in Computer Applications from a recognized university or institution, again with a 50% of aggregate marks, alongside with 2 years experience in the field of Information and Communication Technology as well. Now coming to the work experience as demanded for the post. For a Senior System Manager, prior you should have 11 years of experience in the field of Information and Communication Technology. For a System Manager, 6 years are required in the field of Information and Communication Technology. And for an Assistant Manager, you should have 2 years of experience. For a Technical Assistant, again 2 years of experience is demanded for the post. The salary as per the post varies. For a Senior System Manager, it is rupees 1,25,000. For a System Manager, it is 85,000. For an Assistant Manager, it is 55,000, and for a Technical Assistant, it is 35,000. Coming to the application fees, each category differs. So for a general category candidates, it is 1,000 rupees for your application. For physically disabled category, it is rupees 500, and for SEBC category, it is rupees 250. Now the candidates who want to apply for this post, you can check out the link which is mentioned here on the screen. Also, the same link will be placed in the description box below. You can head over to the description box and click on the link which is mentioned in the description box, and that will give you direct access for how to apply for the post that you are qualified or eligible for. Well, we have come to the end of the video. I hope this video is helpful for you all. Do share it with your friends, whoever is going to take up or want to take up this sector for their career. It might be helpful for them as well. If you have any doubts or if you need any clarifications regarding this, you can put it down in the comment section below and we will answer your queries. Don't forget to subscribe for more learning and placement videos here at one place, Freshers Now. Thank you.